Welcome back to Nessa's Nest Designs. So happy you are here today because today we are starting our first room makeover since we moved back into our home. And we're going to start off with my son's bedroom. I'm so excited because he's a teenage boy and he needs to express himself. So what's the best way to do it is start in his room. See, I ordered some things, so we'll be adding these as well. I am super excited for this episode. So follow along and let's get right into it. But first, let me give you a little history of this house. My dad and I bought this home about 10 years ago. After I got married and moved out, he passed away. So I moved back in to help my mom. This picture is one of my favorite memories. My son, my dad, and me laying on the floor, so tired from moving in, but so happy at the same time. This home means so much to me. Now, the first room I'm tackling is my son's, and right now I like to call it the Monster Green Room. This was my sister's room before, and the green, well, it's definitely intense, but today it's going to become a space my son will actually love, a room he'll always want to come home to, even after college. So first step first is we're going to tape the bottom half. We're going to tape the border, and we're going to make sure that our floors are protected. Especially if you're like me who got brand new carpet. We do not want no black paint on it. And also, since this wall's going to be a different color, we are going to tape up the corners so no black will go through here. Okay, so let's begin. Then I use a squeegee to press down real tight on the tape so we can have crisp lines along the bottom. Then I'm here putting tape on my bottom sheet so it doesn't move while I paint. Now it's time to take off all the tapes and those stubborn command strips from the wall. You can see a little residue left behind, but that's normal. It comes right off with a quick wipe down. And now I'm adding fresh painter's tape along the top edge to protect the ceilings and get a nice crisp paint line. Prepping the right way always makes the painting go so much smoother. Okay guys, so the fun part is starting. So I'm using the Bear paint in an eggshell color and the color Carbon. So I'm excited to use this one. It has a very rich, Guys, I have to check on my babies while I'm working upstairs. They're still sleeping since it's early in the morning. The only time I'm able to do any projects is in the morning. Let me know if any of y'all's mamas does the same thing. Get a little me time. Me, it's a little work time. Oh my god, look how pretty that color is. So excited. So this is the Carbon Bear. It is very rich in the tones, and I can't wait to use it. Now this is the part I love most. I just get locked into painting, turn on some music, and completely get lost in the process. It's so relaxing, honestly therapeutic. There's just something about watching the color go on the wall that makes all the prep work worth it. So now I'm covering the whole room with white paint. Honestly, you can use any white paint you've got. No need to buy anything special. I just want a clean base so when I roll on the beige, it comes out smooth and gorgeous, and that monster green underneath doesn't peek through. I'm using a white brick stucco paint I had lying around, and it works perfectly for this kind of coverage. Okay, so we finished priming that wall. Now we're gonna continue on this wall. I don't remember what's it called. Anyways, I got a trick how to take it out. You use a wine opener. So all you gotta do is twist in there. And that's how you take off a wall anchor. There you go, that's the word. Okay, so you see, this is the best bet to do it. Alright, anchors are out, holes are patched, so now I can finally get back to painting these walls and bringing in that fresh white canvas. Okay guys, so I'm calling it a night, but at least I got 2 walls done so far with 1 layer of the transition colors. You can see I got 1 more wall to go, which I will continue tomorrow. But yes, this mama's tired. I'm gonna call it a day and we'll continue this up tomorrow. But I feel like it's coming together and I can't wait to finally put the real color, which is a beautiful beige. It looked perfect with this beautiful black. I love this wall. It's gonna be the center point of his whole entire room. But yeah, so yeah guys, let's continue tomorrow because this mama's tired. Hi guys, so now we're in day 3 and I already prepped and gave a 2 coat of the primer to these walls to hide that monster green that we had earlier. So now we get to do the fun part and bring in the beige color that we picked out. I think it'll be so beautiful in this room. It'll bring it all together and give it that nice, beautiful tone that we're looking for. But can y'all just admire this pretty black wall that I did earlier? Now it's time to do these walls. Bring it to life. Okay, here we go. Fresh roll. Hey guys, I finished the first wall. I love the color. It looks so amazing with the black. Here, I'll give you a preview. Oh my god. It's a mushroom from Bears. It's really beautiful. So now I'm going to finish this wall. And I think I'm going to call it a night since we started late today. Okay guys, we are on day 5, I believe. I'm not sure. It's been a long painting week. But we're almost done with the painting. Right now I'm just cleaning up the edges. But for right now we are going to go straight into the curtains. So I want to give my son's room a little bit more height. And the best way to do it is through adding your curtains a little bit higher. So we're going to do from the windowsill, we're going to go 6 inches high. So let's mark it. Okay. 6 inches. Here we go. To fit your wall anchor. Okay, so we're gonna drill the hole first, and then we're going to hammer the anchor in, and then we're going to add it. So here we go. User error. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now add the rod. So now we change the drill bit to the your nail bit, and we have this here. Take your time. Okay. It's gonna be so pretty. Okay, first one down, next one to go. Let's see the height. The height is better. And now we're gonna do the other side. We already finished painting, finished vacuuming, finished putting up the curtain rod. Now it's time for my favorite part, is building my baby's new headboard furniture. And this one is special because I believe it comes with shelves and lighting. So I'm excited to build it. Let's get right into it. Thank you for sticking around with me while I work on this makeover. Building this bed is such a fun part of the process, and I can't wait to show you how the room all comes together. If you're enjoying this transformation so far, let me know in the comment. I'd love to hear what your favorite part has been. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be right here with me for more makeovers, DIY projects, and all the little details that makes a house feel like a home. Your support means so much to me, and it's what allows me to share and keep making more content like this for you. I love it! So let's continue to decorate the room. Here's a little hack I love when hanging up wall art. I just take a piece of tape, place it across the back of the canvas right where the hangers are. Then I punch a hole and peel it off and stick that tape directly onto the wall. This gives me the perfect template for where to place my nails. No guessing, no measuring twice, super easy, and now I can hang up my son's Star Wars canvas right where it belongs. Welcome to the dark side of decor. Next up, I'm putting together this 8-cube organizer to give my son some extra storage. Once it's built, I'll get it in place against the wall. We're here with my son, Joe Angel. Look how cute he is.
Hello, guys.
So we are done with his room and we're about to do the review. Let's hope he loves it. You ready?
Yeah.
You kind of nervous?
Yeah.
It's okay. You trust me?
Yeah.
Okay, trust me. All right, so close your eyes. Okay. Don't open it. Don't open it. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Okay, stop. You ready?
Yes.
Open.
I like.
You like it?
Yeah, it's really cool.
You too?
Yeah. I have my room back after so long.
So here's the room before. The walls were dark, there wasn't much storage, and honestly, it just didn't feel like my son's space yet. It was missing his personality and that cozy, inviting vibe I wanted for him. And now here's the after. The whole room feels brighter, more open, and finally reflects who he is. I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. At the end of the day, every brushstroke, every project, every little detail was all worth it to see my son smile. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.